Hello, future gamer. Whether you're picking up a controller for the first time or returning to an old hobby, you're about to discover something truly special. Welcome to a world of adventure, creativity, and connection. A place where every moment can spark joy and bring people together. Games aren't just for kids, they're for everyone at any age. No matter your background or experience, there's a game out there for you. When you play, you're not just passing time. You're solving puzzles, exploring new worlds, and learning new skills. Every session is a chance to challenge yourself and grow. Gaming is a fun workout for your mind, keeping your brain sharp and active. It's like exercise, but for your imagination and memory. Scientists have found that gaming can improve memory, attention, and problem solving. It can even help you stay socially connected with friends and family. Every challenge you overcome in a game is a small victory for your cognitive health. These moments add up, building a stronger, more resilient mind. Games spark joy, curiosity, and a sense of triumph. They bring laughter, excitement, and a wonderful sense of accomplishment. Those epic wins build confidence and resilience, teaching us we can overcome challenges. Each success, big or small, is a reminder of your abilities. Games can also be a wonderful escape, letting you immerse yourself in imaginative worlds and reduce stress. They offer a break from routine and a chance to dream. Forget what you thought you knew about video games. This is about exploration, learning, and fun. There's always something new to discover. This guide is your first step into a larger world. You're about to unlock new experiences and make wonderful memories. You have the power to play, connect, and grow. With every game, you're building friendships and discovering new passions. We're about to unlock a universe of possibilities. The adventure is just beginning, and you're at the heart of it. The game is waiting for you. All you have to do is take the first step. Are you ready to press start? Your journey is about to begin, and there's so much to look forward to. Let's see what amazing things you can do. Adventure begins now. To start your gaming journey, you'll need some basic equipment. The most common gaming machine is a console, like the Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox. Consoles connect to your TV and offer unique games and features. The controller is your tool for play. It may look complex, but you'll quickly get the hang of it. Joysticks move your character, buttons let you jump, open doors, or interact. Many games teach you the controls as you play, so don't worry about memorizing everything. You can also play on smartphones or tablets, using touchscreens to tap and swipe. Mobile gaming is a great, easy way to try games without extra hardware. Choose what feels comfortable and exciting for you. There's no wrong choice. Your gear is the key to unlocking hours of fun and adventure. Let's set up your first gaming console. It's easier than it looks. Place your console near your TV with space for airflow. Plug in the power cable and connect the HDMI cable from the console to your TV. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. You'll see the console's startup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and create your user account. This lets you download games and save your progress. Explore the console's main menu with your controller. Move the joystick, press buttons, and get comfortable. The digital store is where you'll browse and buy new games. Take your time and ask for help if you need it. Once setup is complete, you're ready to play. Congratulations, your adventure is about to begin. Now for the fun part, choosing your first game. Start with games that are easy to learn and focus on relaxation and discovery. Puzzle games like Tetris or Bejeweled are simple and satisfying. Stardew Valley lets you build a farm and join a friendly community at your own pace. Exploration games like Animal Crossing, New Horizons, or Unpacking are all about creativity and relaxation. Browse your console's digital store for categories like puzzle, simulation, or family-friendly. Watch trailers and try free demos to see what you enjoy. Ask friends or family for recommendations. They'll love to share their favorites. The goal is to find games that spark joy and curiosity. Take your time and choose the adventure that excites you. Comfort is key for a great gaming experience. Before you start playing, make sure your gaming area is set up just the way you like it, with everything you need within easy reach. A comfortable environment helps you focus on the fun and keeps distractions to a minimum. Play in a well-lit room and sit in a chair with good back support. Good lighting reduces eye strain, and proper seating helps you maintain healthy posture, making longer gaming sessions more enjoyable. Adjust your TV or monitor to eye level to avoid neck strain. This simple step can make a big difference in your comfort, especially if you play for extended periods. Use in-game accessibility options like larger text or high-contrast colors if needed. Many games offer features to make gameplay easier to see and control, so don't hesitate to explore these settings. Take regular breaks. Every 20 minutes, look away from the screen for 20 seconds. This helps your eyes relax and prevents fatigue, keeping you feeling refreshed. Stand up and stretch every hour to keep your body feeling good. Gentle movement helps your circulation and keeps your muscles from getting stiff. Warm up your hands and wrists before playing, and take breaks if they feel tired. Simple stretches can help prevent discomfort and keep your hands nimble for gaming. Ergonomic controllers can help reduce strain. Look for equipment designed for comfort, especially if you play often or for long periods. Choose games that match your pace. There's no need to play fast-action games if you prefer something slower. Find games that suit your interests and comfort level. Strategy, puzzle, and simulation games are great for relaxed play. These genres can be both fun and mentally stimulating, without requiring quick reflexes. Listen to your body and prioritize comfort. If you ever feel discomfort or fatigue, pause and adjust your setup or take a break. Gaming should always be a positive, healthy part of your life. By following these tips, you can enjoy your favorite games while taking care of your well-being. Gaming is a powerful way to connect with friends and family, no matter your age or experience level. It's not just about the games themselves, but about the moments you share and the bonds you build while playing together. Many games are designed for multiplayer fun, either together on the couch or online. These experiences are made even better when everyone gets involved, from the youngest to the oldest. Local co-op games like Mario Kart or Overcooked are perfect for family play. They're easy to pick up, encourage teamwork, and let everyone join in the excitement, regardless of skill. These games create laughter, teamwork, and lasting memories. Every session is a chance to share stories, celebrate victories, and even laugh at the occasional friendly mishap. Online multiplayer lets you play with loved ones far away. Invite them to join your game and chat with a headset. It's a wonderful way to stay close, even when you're miles apart. Gaming bridges distances and brings people together. Whether you're in the same room or connecting across continents, you can share the fun and excitement. The goal is connection, not just winning. Celebrate successes and laugh at mistakes together. The real reward is the joy you find in each other's company. Ask your family to show you their favorite games and join in. You might discover a new hobby, and you'll definitely make new memories together. Gaming is a common language that spans generations. It's a way to share laughter, learn from each other, and grow closer as a family. Send that invitation, join a game, and discover the joy of playing together. You never know what adventures await when you pick up a controller with loved ones. The best adventures are shared, and every game is a new opportunity to connect and have fun as a team. Thanks for joining this one. May your future be filled with play, laughter, and wonderful moments spent together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Happy gaming!